Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter. Now in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is Introduction to Graph. Dear students, in that in previous class we already discussed about all the important facts, all the important concepts related to graph, and we also clear the concept of Cartesian coordinate system. Now once more time we are going to clear the concept. You know that here there are two mutual perpendicular lines as x o x dash and y o y dash respectively, and here x o x is your x axis, and this is y axis. This is the y axis. Okay. Now here this horizontal line x o x dash is your x axis, and this vertical line y o y dash is what? Which axis? Y axis. Okay dear students, now look. Now look dear students, and we already discussed about this is your first coordinate, this is the positive direction of x, this is negative of x. So all the set of all points which is lies on the x axis and right from the origin, we taken as positive. This is +1 +2 +3 +4 +5. Okay, and the set of all points which is lies on the x axis and left side of the origin we taken as negative. This is -1 -2 -4 and dot so on. Okay. And dear friend, the set of all points which are lies on the y-axis and above the principal axis, above the origin, this is +1 +2 +3 +4 and +5. Okay, and the set of all points which are lies on the y-axis and below from origin, that is this is in -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and dot so on. Okay, so in this way, in first coordinate, so in that x coordinate and y coordinates both are positive, and in second coordinate both x and y coordinates is negative. Sorry, x is positive plus y is negative, and sorry, x is negative but y is positive. And third one, both x and y both are negative, and in fourth one, abscissa means x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So this is the concepts of the Cartesian coordinate systems, and dear students, in previous class we already discussed about that concept. Now we are going to take and solve the important questions of your NCERT exercise 15.2. Let's see. Now, plot the following points. The question is, plot the following points. Plot the following points on a graph sheet and verify if, and also verify if they lie on a line. They lie on a line. They lie on a line, and the coordinates are, this is first coordinates are P11, Q22, R33, and S44. Okay, dear friends, this is the question here. Here, plot the following points on the graph sheet, verify if they lie on a line. Now let's see its solution. First part and second part of this question is what? K23 L, that is 53, M 55, and N 25. Now let's see its solution. Dear friend, this is the one of the most important question of your chapter. Now let's see what is the process to solve that type of questions. Dear friend, for solving for plotting that graph, the graph of the given points on the graph sheet. First of all, let's see. We draw two mutual perpendicular lines. Okay. So first of all, we take the first part of this question. I have y o I dash, and this is x o x dash. Dear friend, this is the positive direction of x. This is the negative of x. This is the positive of y, and this is the negative of y. Okay. Now look. So this is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, and also on. Now from left side of the given origin, this is -1, this is -2, -3, this is -4, and above from the origin, this is +1, +2, +3, +4, that is +5. Here is -1, -2, -4, and also on. Now look. First of all, we plot the points 1, 1. There is in point P11, both the abscissa means x coordinate and y coordinate both equal to 1. So look, x is 1 is there and y is 1 is there. So here the point P lie here. This is the, now the point P lies on that position, means x coordinate and y coordinate both are equal to 1. So abscissa 1 is that place and this is +1. So here the point P lies on that place. Okay. Similarly, Q22. Look, 2 and 2 is there. So that point lies on that. Here, the point Q lies. This is 2, 2 on the graph paper. Key means x coordinate is 2. So from there we count 1, 2, and y coordinate is 2. So from there we count upward direction. This is +2 now. So 1, 2 in front of that number. So the point Q is located at that point, that place on the graph paper. Now 3, 3. Look, means both the abscissa and ordinate is 3, 3 means x coordinate and y coordinate both are equal to 3. So now this is 3 is there and 3 is there. So now here the point P2, this is R 3, 3 is that place in front of this and this. This is A, this is this. Okay. Now next one is what? The fourth and last coordinate, which is S, and the coordinate of S is what? and the coordinate of S is what 4 4. Now look, this is 4 and this is 4 is there. So look, okay, and S. This is 4 4. Now we also verify that verify if they lie on a line. Now after plotting all these points on the graph paper, now we just joining these points through a line. Then what observe that what is the condition now? If we joining them in this way, look here. Yes. Look. Now, so it is clear that the set of all points lies on the same straight line. Okay, thus set of all points lies on the same straight line. Okay, the set of all points lies on the same straight lines, hence verify. So in this way, dear friends, you can plot all the points on the same graph using these concepts. So this is one of the most important questions and topic of your syllabus. Now, dear friends, we take and solve some other important second part of this question, which is very important of you and your upcoming examination. Let's see. Now, and this question is points are K is what? 2 3, K L is what? 5 3, K L. M is what? And final N is what? 2 5. Look. Now, dear friends, look, first of all we draw two mutual perpendicular lines as x-axis and y-axis. Look, okay. So all the coordinates are generally positive. So all the set of all point all the points lies on the first coordinate only, because of x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive, and both are positive in only first quadrant. Okay, this is y, both y dash, xo, and z. Now look, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the positive direction of x. Okay, similarly in upward direction from origin, this is the positive direction of y, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Now look, now first of all we draw the two mutual. This is the point of origin and the coordinate of origin is 0 0. It means x abscissa and ordinate both are 0 at the origin. Okay, means x coordinate and y coordinates are always equal to 0. Now look, What I do? Now dear friends, first of all we got the point k 2 which is, and the coordinate of k is what 2 comma k 2 comma 3. So abscissa is 2 means x coordinate is 2. So 1 1 2 from there and 3. So ordinate means y coordinate is plus 3. So from there we go through upward 1 2 3. So here the point K lies on that position on the graph. Okay. Similarly, we have to draw 5 comma 3. So abscissa is 5 to 1 2 3 4 5 and ordinate is 3. Ordinate is 3 now. So 3 is there. Here. So find this is which points? KL. Here L is this is 5 comma 3. Now M is what? 5 5 means M is what? Abscissa is 5 and ordinate is also equal to 5. So look 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 4 5 is there. Here the point this is point M. This is 5 comma 5. Okay. Now 2 5. So abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 5. So now look 1 2 and 5 1 2 3 4 5 here. So this is M. This is 2 comma 5. Now verify if they lie on a line. So now look, if you observe that, so if you draw this here, so KL lie on the same straight line and AM and M is lie on the same straight line and the point KN lies on the same straight line and LM lies on the same straight line. Okay, so in this way, dear students, you can plot all the points on the graph paper using that concept. So dear students, this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So please, this is the one of the most important topic of your syllabus. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions. First of all, in that type of question, you plotting this, you draw the graph. First of all, you draw two mutual perpendicular lines as x-axis and y-axis respectively. X-axis and y-axis respectively. After that, in the positive direction of x we take 1 2 3 4 1 2 7 and in the direction of y we take 1 2 5 and after plotting these graph we plot all these points like k, l, m, n and we joining them. Okay, because of all the coordinates of the points a, l, m and are positive, so all these points lie on the first quadrant, which I already discussed. The concept of this concept is also we discussed in previous classes. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so this is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Okay. Thus, just in next class we take so this is very important concept. Okay, chapter. So please dear students, now in next class we take and solve some other important questions